She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl MeganB and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button, follow my social media, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So my wig looking kind of crazy, but that don't really matter. It really doesn't matter. So today I'll be installing the very famous headband wig. It has been around YouTube hairstyle videos like endless, like so many times. I'm pretty sure you've seen tons of them, but I wanted to give it a try. I've been looking for, you just sometimes get tired of lace. I mean, I haven't been wearing lace that long, but sometimes you just want something that you can pop on. Sometimes it's just one of those days you don't feel like laying your lace down, or maybe even wearing a hat, because sometimes hats can be really annoying and irritating right here. So yeah, I think this is a great alternative to one of those lazy days or protective styles, or if you just want to take a break from lace, basically. So I got mine from Amazon. So the company I got this hair from is from VSHOW Hair. It is the water wave headband wig in the inches 20. It comes in a plastic bag like so, and they just have it all nicely netted. Oh, this hair is soft. That's disgusting. This hair is soft, and they have tissue in it to protect, well, to keep the shape. So this is the headband, nice width, and it has the Velcro. The inside looks just like this, if I can get a good, so dark and black inside, but you have a comb in the middle, you have two combs on the side, and a comb in the back. So they do not have adjustable straps on the inside, so that is the only downfall, I will say, to make it a little more like secure, but hopefully the straps are enough to make it secure. But anyways, this is how the hair looks. It is very freaking soft, and it looks a little bit more, it's like a curly water wave and not more so of a like a loose curl, but this is the curl pattern. Like I said, this is really freaking soft, like really soft. So we're gonna take this wig off. Oh wait, inside of your box they give you headbands, a stocking cap. I'll show you guys. They have like a floral yellow, it comes off a little bit ashy on camera, but it's really bright yellow floral headband, a burgundy floral headband, and a blue headband. So let's go ahead and take this off. I already laid my hair down, so I just have it slicked back and pushed back into a ponytail. I'm just gonna push that back just a little bit, and we're just gonna plop her on. I'm really nervous about the fit. I don't know if it's gonna be snug enough. I hate that. I mean, I'm getting what I pay for. It is Amazon hair. Oh, so the wig was pretty affordable. It was $125 for a 20-inch, which is really freaking good in my opinion for a 20-inch. And being that the texture is more of a curlier wave texture, typically lengths, longer lengths like 20 and up, and more textured type of hair is pretty much on the expensive side. So I thought that was really good. Okay, it kind of fits, maybe not. Okay, let me get a, I need to put my hair up. Yo, out of all the times I have hair ties laying everywhere, I don't have one right now. That's so annoying. All right, so I'm gonna put this up in a ponytail to get it out the way. And then I'm just gonna take this. I really hate that they don't have adjustable bands. So this was gonna go here, and this is gonna go here. That's crooked. Oh, maybe here? So if I were to just stick it with the Velcro, as you can see, it's very loose. So what I may have to do is tie it. I didn't know my head was that small. Goodness. I'm going to just bobby pin it. Unless I'm doing it wrong. No, I'm not doing it wrong. Okay, I'm gonna go get some bobby pins and try to figure this out. So this looks real wretched. It is what it is, but what I had to do was just tuck it. You can't really see, but I just had to tuck it and bobby pin this side. So
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're...
I'm really trying to figure this hair out. That's cute. But like Diana Ross. I also forgot to mention that this is a 180 density wig. It kind of sort of feels like it, not really. I mean, it could be a lot more fuller in my opinion, but the more you run your fingers through the hair, the bigger she gets. I'm really not feeling the fact that I had to ghettoify the back in order for it to fit my head, because I did want to. But I mean, once you put your own personal headband on, you should be fine if you want to put the hair up. But other than that, it just feels kind of uncomfortable. I mean, besides the fact that I had to kind of make this fit my head, the hair is really gorgeous. It's soft, it's pretty, the curls are really beautiful. If you wanted to just pop this wig on and go, you definitely can. I don't feel like you have to do any manipulation to the curls to make it look kind of natural. You know, sometimes when you get curly hair or water wave hair or any type of hair that has a manipulation to it, you have to go in and manipulate it, go back in and manipulate it yourself in order for it to look very natural, like a natural curl. But for this one, you did not have to. Like back here, I didn't run my fingers through it and they look really nice, really natural. I will honestly say this cap is really big for my head size. In the future, I feel like VSHOW hair should have different sizes suggestions on their Amazon site: small, medium, large. Or, I mean, for Amazon, it's kind of hard to customize it, but if you can just do the generic small, medium, and large sizes, that would be perfect. So everyone can have a headband wig that fits their head. But like I said, the hair itself is beautiful. Y'all can see I've been running my fingers through this hair for the longest, and it gets pretty big, and I love big hair. I think that's pretty much it on the specs. Like, this hair is really soft. Like, I can't stress that enough, how soft this hair is. I'm gonna go in and try on different headbands that they sent, maybe some of my own, and play around with it with different hairstyles for you guys. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Very short, very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for all the love and the support that I've been getting lately, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb, cry and get old. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues.